Hello viewer friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JP Tutorial Guide. There we will introduce with wind energy. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to the first to receive our notification. After watching the video, you must give a valuable opinion about how the video is. So let's get started without delay.
Okay friends, so today we will discuss about wind energy. Wind is air set in motion by small amount of insulation reaching the upper atmosphere of Earth. It contains kinetic energy which can easily be converted to electrical energy. Nature generates about 1.67 into 10 to the power 5 kilowatt hour of wind energy annually over land area of Earth, and 10 times this figure over the entire globe. This wind energy, which is an indirect source of energy, can be used to run a windmill, which in turn drives a generator to produce electricity. Although windmills have been used for more than a dozen centuries of grinding grain and pumping water, interest in large-scale power generation has developed over the past 50 years. Our largest wind generator built in the past was 800 kilowatt unit operated in France system 1958 to 1960. The flexible three-blade propeller was about 35 meters in diameter and produced the rated power in a 60 km per hour wind with a rotation speed of 47 rpm. In India, the interest in the windmills was shown in the last 50s and early 60s. Apart from importing a few from outside, new designs were also developed, but these were not sustained. It is only in last 20 to 25 years that development work is going on in many institutions. An important reason for the lack of interest in wind energy must be that wind in India is relatively low and vary appreciably with sensor. Okay, then come to the next point. Utilization aspect of wind energy. Utilization aspect of wind energy fall into the following three broad categories. Number 1, isolated continuous duty system which need suitable energy storage and reconversion systems. Number 2, fuel supplement system in conjunction with power grid or isolated conventional generating unit. This utilization aspect of wind energy is the most predominant in use as it saves fuel and it fast growing, particularly in energy deficient grids. Number 3, small rural system which can use energy when wind is available. This category was application in developing countries with large isolated rural areas. Thank you for watching this video.